Hello and welcome back to Inspired Living TV. It is Carrie Murphy and I am so happy you're here because we're talking about business in this new normal, which, let's face it, is not really normal at all. But I think you can agree there has never been a more important time for you to show up powerfully in your business. That video is the #1 way to do that. It was pre-pandemic and even more importantly right now because you have such a captive audience looking for you. And yet, if you're like so many other people, the fear of being judged, the fear of not knowing what to say, this need to show up perfectly keeps you from showing up brilliantly in your business and online. So in this video, I'm going to share with you what I call the 3 C's that really help you understand why video is so important and gives you permission to not be perfect. The good news, no one connects with perfection. I've talked about this over and over again, but I think it's so important as we are in this new time that you understand that people are seeking authenticity. They're seeking value. They're seeking experts in their industry, and you are all of that. And the more real and transparent you are, the quicker your brand will grow. To be totally honest with you, we've never done better as a company than we just did in this first quarter of 2020. We all started this year with, yeah, it's going to be amazing. And we've had stay-at-home orders, right? And we have to look at how are we going to shift and pivot our business to meet people where they are. Online training is a $350 billion business, right? You've never had more of a captive audience, and yet only 25% of entrepreneurs are using video effectively. So let's talk about these 3 C's. The first thing that you have to think about when it comes to video is connection. Video is all about emotional connection. And this, my friend, actually gives you freedom to not be perfect, right? Because people don't connect with bots, with people who speak perfectly and do perfect things, right? We don't connect with that. We connect with people who mess up, who don't look perfect all the time, who have real life. Let me tell you, I have a 3-month-old and a 4.5-year-old. I got lots of real life to share with you, but that makes me a real person that you can connect with, or else you wouldn't relate. So video, you must be willing to connect. And that is key to step number 2, which is establishing credibility. The more you are online, the more people see you, the more credible you become. It just is the way of the world. Like it or not, if you're not using video, if you can't be found, you can be the best thing since sliced bread and no one's gonna know about you, right? And it's frustrating because you know you have so much value to share. But when you create that connection, when you have that emotional bond, I always say you're looking through the camera lens, not at the camera lens. You have to feel and connect with that person on the other side. But when they start seeing you and you have that clear message, which we talk so much about, all of a sudden you become the go-to person that I want to work with. And I always say, credibility comes with consistency. You cannot do one video and expect people to remember who you are and what you do. So, connection, credibility, and that has to also connect with consistency. I always say, a confused mind will never buy. If I don't know what you do, I cannot decide to work with you. And that leads to what we all want, which is conversion, right? The whole point of being on camera is to get people, as I say, from stalker to follower to fan to buyer. You want people to click the buy now button, right? You want people to get on the phone with you. And when you establish that emotional connection, you show up credible and as an authority, you will start to convert. I wish there was some fairy dust I could throw out there to say, you know what, you do one video and all of your dreams will come true. But what I can promise you is if you stay consistent, if you are clear with your message, and you have a strategy that allows people to emotionally connect with what you do, so they say, oh my gosh, Carrie, you're talking to me. That is the best compliment you can ever get. And that comes from speaking to that one person. Speaking through the lens, understanding exactly where they're at when they press play. Yes, there's no doubt about it. It's a saturated market and it's not going anywhere. right? People are going to be online for a long time. And yet, if you understand the 3 C's around using video, you will find that your business can actually grow during these crazy, wild, uncharted times. And every single person can find a way to teach something online. Regardless of your industry, there is a way for you to leverage and monetize what it is that you do. And if you want to learn more about how to do that, I highly recommend you come over to our private Facebook group, Ignite Your It Factor, where we have so much fun. We're in there doing lives, we're teaching, and we're really helping you get over that fear, get over this need to be perfect, and realize how to stand out as that go-to industry leader in your business. So come on over. I cannot wait to see and connect with you there. So again, the 3 C's when it comes to video: connection, credibility, and conversion. Remember these 3 C's, implement them in your business, and you will see some really great results. Now, as always, I want to hear from you. Why is video scary to you? Has it been stopping you from showing up powerfully? Post your comment below, because when you are inspired, you inspire others. And that's the great thing about video, right? When you feel something, you help other people feel the same. And right now, we need to remember we are all in this together, and that your message has never been more important. As always, please remember to keep dreaming it, living it, and being it. Until next time.